Hello friends, welcome to Code and Decode channel. I have created a new YouTube channel for learning simple Java programs. The purpose of this channel is to understand the Java programs from the basics, and we will be improving our knowledge in terms of coding and understanding the code. So this will be helpful in improving your coding knowledge and useful in attending interviews while you have to write some code in interviews. This will be helpful. Let's begin this video series with a simple string reverse and palindrome program. So I am creating a new project called interview programs. So I'm selecting Java 8, and then next I'm using my source folder. Then I'm giving finish. So my project is created. I'm adding a class to it. The class name is a palindrome, and I'm checking this checkbox to get the public static void main method by default. So we remove the comments, and I'll be adding the purpose of this program in my commands and next to the class. Let's begin the code with reversing a string and checking whether the string is equal to its original string. If the string is equal to its original string, then it is called a palindrome. For example, madam, noon, level, or palindrome. The original string and the reverse of the same is equal. So here we will be seeing in two different parts. One is how to reverse a string and how to check a string whether the original string and the reversed string is equal or not. And based on that, we will be getting the output. I'm just adding a system.out.println to print the name of the program. To getting the user input from the console, I'll be using a scanner. So the purpose of the scanner is to get the user input from the console. I'm importing a scanner class from java.util.scanner. So I can use the scanner class here in my program, and I'm giving a input to the new string called str. So this is the original string. Based on this original string, we will be reversing the str, and the reversed str will be stored in string reverse. In the beginning, I'll be assigning double quotes to the string, which means there is no data inside reverse. So it is like null string, but giving a double quotes is recommended while using a string instead of null. And I'll be using a for loop here for reversing the str, which is the original string. So I'm giving int I is equal to the string length. The string length is as a get by string str dot length, and the length of a string is from 0 to the length. So I'm giving -1 to get the exact length of the string. So if I'm not giving -1, I'll be having issue one string array. So I'll be giving -1. I'll explain why I'm giving this in the end of the video. And I greater than or equal to 0, then I minus minus. So this will be my for loop statement for this reversing the string, and I'll be assigning the reverse string as a reverse plus the string dot caret of I, which means in the beginning the reverse is nothing, then the string dot char of I will be giving the last character of the string array. So from the last to front, it will be taking one character and storing in the reverse string. This is the main part of the code. Then we'll be giving some outputs to understand what exactly happening in the code. So I'll be giving two system.out.println statements to know what string is entered, and after executing this for loop, how the string reversed data is there. Then we will see the output. So the first system.out.println will print the original string. The second system.out.println will print the reverse string. I'll be executing this. So right click, run as Java application. So I'm getting the first system.out.println, the program purpose message. I'm giving a word and I'm testing. So this is my test, and I'm getting this as a test and the reverse of the same. And we will be seeing for other string. I'm also getting the original string and the reverse string of it. Whatever the user input, you will be getting a original and reverse of this original string. Using this, we will see how we can check whether this given string is a palindrome or not. We'll be using the same code, and we'll be adding only one if loop, if statement for checking whether the given string is a palindrome or not. So the statement is if str, which is a original string, dot equals of the reverse, which is the reversed string. So if the original string and the reverse string are the same, then the entered string is a palindrome. If it is not same, so whatever if else goes to a else loop, then it is not a palindrome. So this is the concept of this if. Some right click, run as Java application. I'm entering a string. So I got my original string, reverse string, and the name of palindrome, and whether it is a palindrome or not. So I'm testing with the other example. So I'm entering a madam. So this is a palindrome because MADAM is equal to the reverse of MADAM. So it is a palindrome. You can use any word to test the same. So I'll be explaining the for loop. So the basic concept of string is nothing but a string is a character array. So the length will be calculated from 1 to n number of characters in a string. But in for loop, we'll be using 0 to the length. So I'm using -1. You can use this code to find any string, whether it is a palindrome or not, or a reverse function. Thank you guys. I hope this is helpful. We will be seeing in upcoming videos with the other sample Java programs. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel to improve your coding knowledge. And if you have any doubts or any comments, please let me know in the comment section. So it will be helpful for me to improve my Java upcoming videos. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye.